Welcome to Amos Special Edition. Well, it's been 3 days since the cat disappeared. I'm thinking something came and got it, so I'm gonna put a trail camera at the gate with some food and see what happens. I've called the game warden to see what I'm allowed to do. It seems like if anything's messing with livestock or your family, you can deal with it how you choose. She did say call the authorities to see if you can shoot on your property. So, see how that goes. Come on, man. Bro, what are you doing way up here? You're like 200 yards away from your chicks. Just chilling in the woods. Alright. Alright. Put a trail camera at the gate. Got some food. Dude, no, it's not for you. Bro, no. No. Well, this isn't gonna work. Roosters love cat food. Good thing we got a fresh bag of it for no cat. You might get lucky, buddy. Well, it looks like he's enjoying that food, so I'll just wait till he gets back up on his shelf. Check into tomorrow's video to see what happens tonight. See y'all next time.